Hi everyone, this is Anthony Buchanig. I'd like to welcome you to Accounting 132, Payroll Accounting with General Excise Taxes. When you start, I would like you to look over the overview of our Laulima. Laulima is the foundation of our course since it lists our syllabus, weekly instructions, forms, and all that. So here I am, Anthony Buchanig. This is my email, abuchanig@hawaii.edu, and also have a Zoom link for my virtual office. My official office hours are Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., but feel free to send me an appointment for other days and times. I'll get back to you. We can arrange something. Here's the link. All you have to do is go to Zoom and you're in my office and create your account. So as you get started, I would like you to read the syllabus that's available here. Make sure you read the syllabus as soon as possible. Answer the question that you read the syllabus. And it should be located down here. So welcome to my class. As I mentioned, this is the information. I have a physical office at Kalama 124. My office hours are a little different from there. We don't have any official meeting times since this is online. But as I mentioned, feel free to set a time to meet me via Zoom or in person at Kalama 124. That's my physical office. Also, I'm in 107, Kalama 107. You can meet me Monday, Wednesdays, 1:30 to 2:30 in person or by Zoom at appointment. I'll be teaching a class before this time and day. Looks like it froze a little. Okay, so as we start, as I mentioned, no online meeting times. Check out our textbook. I'll discuss that later as I go along here. So after you look for the syllabus, start here first. Look over our course purpose, some Laulima information if you're having trouble accessing Laulima. And make sure to check out Netiquette tips. We'll be forum posting online and all of that. So that's some useful information. Send me a message via Laulima to make sure you know how to send me messages and communicate with me as well. To do that, I prefer to be emailed here, Laulima. Send me an email. It connects to my hawaii.edu email as well. So after you start, I want everyone to look at the weekly instructions. Week 1, from August 24th to the end of the week, August 30th. So after you look at all that, I would like you to first start with the forum introduction. Click forums here, general discussion, week 1, and make a short introduction of yourself to the class. Feel free to answer any questions you feel free you'd want to answer and all that. Feel free to keep it brief. Okay, after you fill in your introduction, next thing to do would be to gain eLab access. I know the book is a little difficult to access, but here are the instructions. So let's look at here. Your textbook, your assignments and your quizzes are accessed at labyrinththelab.com. So if I go to this link here, when you start off, where is it? No, it's not. elablearning.com. Oh, that's not it. So it's not that, but labyrinththelab.com. I'll wait for that to load. So as you start, make sure you register as a new user, as a learner. Fill out your name. Use your hawaii.edu email, create a password, and all of that. So when you go in, what you need to do, as I mentioned in these instructions, make sure to add course. So that should be Might not be in this. I need to go back. Personally in my learner mode, so I see what you see, but I need to reset. So after you create your eLab learning account, I'm trying to find, looks like I don't see anything with adding courses here. Anyway, so when you go in here after you create an account, there should be a add courses link. So in my case, it's a little different since I'm creating courses, but if you go in, there should be a link to add your course, and this would be the course code. Fill that in. And after you fill out your course code, it should ask for a redemption code. So to purchase a license key or redemption code, I recommend going to this link here. You'd have to create another account, sign in and register. As a individual student, create an account, and you'd make a purchase like you would with many other websites with a cart. Another option would be to purchase a redemption code from the bookstore. That is also available, I believe. Go to the UH Maui bookstore. I'll wait for that to load. Okay, looks like everything's really slow on my end with my laptop right now, but I'll wait for that to load. So if you search your class, a textbook should be available from the bookstore for my class, Accounting 132. That should be forwarded to you with your code. So as I mentioned, to purchase a license key, I recommend going to this link. It mentions a link where you can activate. I think that takes a lot longer. Also keep in mind we're not using any QuickBooks if you ever have access to the text. And to access the text, you need a third account, which would be the Vital Source. That's going to look like this here. You don't have to pay anything if you purchase the textbook. The following would be the link to the book. I will be posting this link, so it'll be a lot easier. I'll edit that right now. So if you want to access the book, you just have to go to this straight to this link here. Make sure you create an account. And that should be it. That should be what you need to do to access your book. So another thing you need to do for this week would be the week 1 form assignment. Go to forms, week 1. All I want you to do is identify payroll services, 2 of them, research the services provided by each, and write a paragraph. So that can be searched on Google, any resource you want online or on paper. So that would be your form assignment. And the last assignment for the week would be reading chapter 1, processing a new employee. I know a lot of you have trouble accessing the book. So I won't be posting the book itself or any pages, but I will be posting a PowerPoint lecture. So stay tuned for that. You can look over that as I require the chapter 1 practice set assignments and the Chapter 1 quizzes at the end of next week. So this is the Chapter 1 book. If you get access, just look over this book. Or if you still don't have access by the end of the week, make sure to look out for the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, thank you for watching. This is week 1. Stay tuned for my PowerPoint presentation on Chapter 1.